Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this brand new Audi A3 Black Edition S-Tronic. It comes dressed in the gorgeous Mythos black, sure to turn heads when on the road, and as you can see the privacy glass to the rear, adding a touch of sophistication to the car's profile. Standing on 19-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm wide design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather upholstery, a centre armrest with 2 cup holders for those longer journeys, and the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you can see, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. As you sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather upholstery, the iconic S embossed logo and front centre armrest for extra support. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as a wide view of the navigation map so no need to take your eyes off the road, connection of your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display going into phone apps, for wireless use of Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving mode, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Parking aids for front and rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations, and the navigation map to help you easily find your desired destination. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay connected with the 2 USB charging points and Audi phone box with wireless charging, finished off with the sleek automatic gearbox and electric parking brake, adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and 2 handy cup holders. This brand new Audi A3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.